So when you're working on branching pieces and you already have your one branch here, I just stopped it short because I wanted to show you guys this. You're going to be using the SC join a lot. And this is my favorite way to do add a new piece of yarn, especially for branching, because it leaves you a nice tail to work with and it doesn't leave you any bulk. So that's the best part about it. So you're going to start with your regular slip knot and put it on your hook. And then like tighten it down, but don't go crazy on it. You can still see through mine. It's moves around pretty easy. Okay. Leave this tail on the outside of the work. So it's going to hang on the outside all the time. You're going to take your hook and put it through that first stitch that you need to attach it to and pull through a piece of the working yarn. So let me show you that again. Here's our loop. I'm going to insert it through the stitch and pull up a loop of the working yarn. Now you've got 2 loops on your hook just like any other SC. So you're going to yarn over and pull through 2. And this is pretty cool because it creates our perfect stitch right here that we can work into. You can use the tail and adjust the size of that stitch a little bit. Do not pull this tight. You need to come back and work into this again on the next round. So don't do that because now your stitch is gone and you don't have anything to work into. You need to make sure that stays nice and loose so that you can actually use it because it counts as a stitch. It isn't an actual SC. So let's do that one more time. Insert into the stitch, grab our working yarn, pull up a loop of working yarn, yarn over and pull through 2. There is our SC. Now, we're going to leave this guy on the outside of the work as we're going around because then we're going to work and we're going to come back around and this is always going to be on the outside. And as we learn when branching, there tends to be a little hole right here. You can use this guy to close up that little hole. So that's why I always recommend leaving this on the outside. And that's your SC join. Thanks for watching a Hook by Kati tutorial video. Please click subscribe and click that little bell so you get notifications every time I post a new video. And remember to go to hookbykati.com for more patterns, tutorials, and guides to help you improve your art.